Hi there YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we are diving into the world of the Asus Zephyrus G15, where we will be boosting its performance by upgrading the RAM and adding an additional Gen 4 NVMe SSD. This specific computer has two Gen 4 NVMe SSD slots and only one RAM slot. Part of the RAM is not replaceable as it is soldered to the motherboard. Let's jump right in. To start off, make sure your computer is powered down and lay it gently upside down on a soft towel to avoid any scratches. Now, grab some sharp tweezers or a screwdriver to carefully remove the three rubber grommets covering the screws in the middle. Pro tip: stick these grommets onto the plastic so they maintain their stickiness for reinstallation later. With the grommets out of the way, use a flathead screwdriver to remove all the visible screws on the bottom panel. Remember, these screws vary in length, so keep track which goes where. Oh, and there is one sneaky screw in the bottom right corner with a clip that won't come out. Don't worry, I'll show you why in a bit. Once all the screws, except for the one in the bottom right corner, are out, grab a plastic guitar pick and gently pry around the edges of the bottom cover to release the clips holding it in place. With finesse, the cover should pop off without causing any damage. Now, a quick word of caution. The battery is still connected, so avoid any metal on motherboard contact to prevent potential damage. If you want to play it extra safe, now's the time to disconnect the battery connector. Let's start with the RAM upgrade. I'll be swapping out the original 8GB stick for a beefy 48GB stick. Carefully remove the old stick, transfer plastic tape to the new one, and insert it into the slot. Next up, the SSD. Remove the screw holding it in place, being extra cautious not to drop it into the motherboard, especially with the battery still connected. I just took a moment to check the thermal pad on the original SSD. It's like a thicker aluminum foil with added thermal pad on it. I'll be keeping this SSD in the same slot, so let's pop it back in later. For the new SSD, I opted for the Western Digital Black SN850X 2TB Gen 4 NVMe drive. Now, internet wisdom suggests using single-sided SSDs for thin laptops like this one, so keep that in mind for better thermal performance. And for Gen 4 SSDs, a 1mm copper pad can help keep things cool under load. Apply the thermal pad to the SSD, add the copper pad, and adjust as needed for different chip heights. I unfortunately did not get it right the first time. With everything prepped, add the rubber bands from the copper plate kit to ensure even pressure across the SSD. Trial and error may be needed here, but once you've got it just right, unscrew the screw from the empty slot, insert your new SSD and screw it back in. Don't forget to reinsert and screw in the old SSD for good measure. Before closing up the laptop, give the fans a quick clean with a soft toothbrush and a puff of compressed air. With the fans shining like new, carefully position the bottom cover, ensuring all clips engage properly under slight pressure. Secure it in place with the remaining screws, remembering their varying lengths. Pop the rubber grommets back in place and voila! Your laptop is ready for action. But wait! New disk not showing up? No worries. Just right click on the start menu, select Disk Management and format the new drive. Easy fix. In our next video, I'll walk you through migrating your existing Windows 11 installation to the new SSD and making it your primary drive. So, stay tuned for that. As always, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and also check additional info in video description below. See you in the next one.